Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing an unboxing of something that I've been wanting for a while. So this month is actually my birthday month, and if you follow me on Instagram you already know, but I was accepted into a doctorate program, and so I will be earning my DBA. And for my birthday slash a congratulations for getting into the program, my parents actually got this for me and I'm just so excited. So I'm going to open this up and share it with y'all. So here it is. So it is the Louis Vuitton small ring, or PM Agenda, and I am in love with it. So I did get the monogram and I love it. So I wanted to match my and my purse because I will be using this partially as a wallet. So I will be using probably like this section as a wallet, and I do plan on carrying it with me. So here's just an up close look. I'm so excited for this. I was shopping with my mom and then she surprised me because I told her I always wanted one, and she said let's go get it. And I was just blown away. So I'm very excited to add this to my collection and start setting this up. I did place an order on Infinite Lotus, so when that comes in I will do the setup with y'all. In general, again, this is just going to be on the go with me, and I do just plan on keeping monthly inserts in here so I can have my monthly view with me. Since my is my daily planner, I just want to do quick monthly views in here. One thing that I will say is that I know everyone has always mentioned in like unboxing and review videos how the rings are so small, and I can't emphasize this enough. They are extremely small. Like, I didn't expect them to be this small. They are tiny. Like they are very tiny. So I always thought that I wouldn't switch out the rings, but I really think I'm gonna eventually switch out the rings so I can fit more into here because it's tiny. So it looks like you can't really fit anything. We'll see once my inserts come in. But yeah, here is the up close look. And I'm just so excited for this because this is something that I wanted for a while. I think I shared on Instagram before that this is something that I was going to purchase myself for my birthday, and then it got postponed because we're saving towards something, and then my parents just offered to get it as a gift, and I'm just so excited and so happy. So yeah, I'm so happy to start using this right away. So I did recently discover JL Plans, and I'll have links below. And so she has printable inserts, and I'm not good at making my own inserts. I've already discovered that. That's why I ordered from Infinite Lotus, but I did download something just to try them out and put them in here. So my boyfriend did help me with this because he's better with like more precision cutting, because mine don't look this good when I do it, and then hole punching. So these are going to be temporary until the Infinite Lotus order comes in, but I just love these. I wish I was better at making my own inserts because I love her designs and she only does printables. But I'll put these in here so y'all can see how they look, and then y'all can also see what inserts look like in here. So my boyfriend didn't cut them straight either way, but I'm still happy he did it because it still is a lot better than I would have done. So here's what her inserts look like, and they're just so cute. They're Louis Vuitton inspired, so I just love how they match. I really wish she did, like she printed them and sold them, because I would love to use these, but I don't know, it's just gonna bother me that these are so off. And I love Infinite Lotus, so I'm just gonna use those, but these are her inserts. And then she has like different wish lists and order trackers and just different inserts. And again, I'll have a shop link below, but those are the monthly views, and then these are the notes. They're just so cute. So I'm just gonna have my ID, debit card, and debit card in here, and then probably just keep cash in here. But yeah, other than that, that is my birthday present and my newest planner. I'm just so happy to have this. I love it. It's so cute. It can fit in anything, I feel like, because it's like as big as a passport, so you can fit it in a clutch. You can take it with you, so I can always have my planner with me on the go, which I'm really excited about. For setup, I did want to do tabs, so I have been thinking, obviously, as I mentioned, I have been wanting this, so I have been wanting to do tabs in here. But again, with these rings, I know people do it, but I don't know, I'm too afraid it's going to take up too much space. I might still get some and try them out and see, because I do eventually, like I mentioned, plan on switching out the rings for larger ones. But I will probably get some tabs from Cloth and Paper and put them in here, and so I can organize a few different sections. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.